So why everyone is saying to create a new account in the Cloud Skills Boost profile and for the arcade challenge. Here we'll talk about it and I'll tell you who can just create the new account and who can just use the same account, because this is the confusion among the arcade participants is more, and I want to get it cleared as soon as possible so that you can start your journey and earn more arcade points. So without any delay, let's get started, and make sure to subscribe the channel so that you get all the important updates as soon as they are released. So as the first thing I said, that why you need to create a new account. So if you see, this is our arcade homepage. Here games will be hosted and these are the arcade games. Okay, so many participants, what they did, if you have participated in previously, then you have to just understand this thing. If you have completed any skill badges, lab free courses, so this is how the skill badge looks like. If you completed any skill badges, if you have completed, then just create a new account. If you completed any arcade game, then simply do one thing. What you need to do, you can just use the same account. Let me clarify once again. If you have completed skill badges, lab free courses, and if you don't understand what are these, want a dedicated video, you can comment down below. But if you have completed the only the arcade games like level games or trivia games, then you can use the same account whether you have created and participated in 2023, 2024 or 2025. But if you have completed the skill badges and lab free courses, you need to create a new account. Now how you have to create a new account, you have to simply come to the playlist section, and then I'll share the link of the playlist too. You have to come to the view playlist, and here you'll find all the videos. So now here, a zero to hero guide, many people are asking regarding the arcade challenge. I want to know from basics. So for them, this is the video. For people who want to just get started, they know the basics, how to set up the account they want to know. For them, this video is here. And one more important thing, the video related to the arcade challenges, like how to join the game, how many laps you can do, you can watch this video. So all the videos are covered. Okay, and if you want to just share your credits from previous account, you can watch this video. And account creation, as I said, from Gmail to Qwiklabs account for new participant, you can watch this video. And if you want to create the account directly, you can watch this video. Now why we are saying to create a new account, the reason, as I said, you have completed the skill badges. But why skill badges matter here? So if you see, if you have seen the previous price tiers, so there was some 95 points for the top tier. So if you consider all the games which will live for the entire 6 month, yes, arcade is for a 6 month event, so you'll be having only 66 arcade points, right? So if you achieve all the 66 points by now, right, then you won't be able to reach the legend tier, which is of 95 points and may increase as they increase every year. So that's why there will be some facilitator program. So this is the facilitator program. It's a add-on program which will give you more points, more benefits. For that also I have made a dedicated video, you can watch it. So here, if you complete, here we have to complete lab free courses, skill badges and all the things. So by mistake, if you complete the skill badges and if you come into the lower tier, like suppose you completed 60 skill badges, even 10 skill badges I am considering, do not complete. Complete means use that account which has 10 skill badges. Just create a new account, it's very easy. I've shared everything. So this is the main thing I wanted to share. And even if you have participated in Gen Academy, Study Jam and different events, make sure you create a new account if you have completed skill badges there and lab free courses and completion badges over here. Like if you see, these are the courses badges. If you have completed any one of them, simply create a new account. And if you have only completed these arcade games in any year, then you can use the old account. If you still have confusion, just rewatch the video, all your doubts will be cleared. For related videos, just check the playlist, and for the complete solution for the arcade challenges, you can see all the playlists are live, so make sure to take the benefit of it. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you, have a great day ahead.